In this video, you'll learn how to link Slack to Pipedrive CRM. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate these two platforms, allowing for streamlined communication and task management. Begin by opening the Slack application on your device. If you're using a web browser, navigate to the Slack website. Once you are on the Slack interface, you should see a sidebar on the left where you can start a new message. Click on the new message option to initiate your connection process. Next, look for the admin section in the sidebar. This is usually located towards the bottom of the menu. Clicking on admin will redirect you to the administrative settings for your workspace to proceed with the integration. After accessing the admin settings, locate and click on workspace settings. This option will bring up various settings related to your workspace. It is important to verify that you have the necessary permissions to make changes in this section. Once you are in the workspace settings, find and select the Integrations tab. This section allows you to manage all integrations available in your workspace. You may need to wait a moment for the page to load, and then you will see various integration options listed. After the integrations page appears, click on Recommended Apps. This will show you a list of applications that are commonly used with Slack. You might see loading indicators as the list populates, which is normal. Next, you will need to type Pipedrive CRM into the search bar. This action will filter the recommended apps to display Pipedrive CRM specifically. Make sure to check for any spelling errors to ensure accurate search results. Once you find Pipedrive CRM in the search results, click on it to view more details about the integration. This step is crucial as it will lead you to the installation page for the application. After selecting Pipedrive CRM, look for the Install button and click on it. This action will initiate the installation process. You may see a confirmation message that indicates the app is being added to your workspace. Following the installation, you will be prompted with an Add to Slack button. Clicking this will finalize the integration process. Make sure to confirm any permissions required by Pipedrive CRM to ensure it functions seamlessly within Slack. If you would like to try adding Pipedrive yourself, the link to do so is provided in the description and pinned comment below this video. Following these steps will ensure a successful integration, allowing for enhanced collaboration. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.